Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change your Epic Games account age. I show you how to do that. You just need to open up Epic Games, click on this profile icon over here and select account. Now in here you just need to select the parental controls over here on the left side. Now in here you just need to set a parental control pin. You just need to set it. After typing the pin, you just need to select create pin, and after doing this, you just need to scroll down. You can able to see the age restrictions over here. Make sure you selected unrated as it eliminates any restriction for age limits when downloading games from the Epic Games Store. And you can also choose any age limit over here by dragging this to it. I'm gonna set unrated. And that's all you have to do it, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.